Hello, thank you for watching. In this video, I'll be reviewing the Darche Nero duffel bags. So this is the 240, which is the largest size at 295 liters. They also have two smaller sizes. So front of the box and back box. So just one sheet of information. Warranty card. And the bag itself. So the bag is made of waterproof PVC material. Comes with two carry straps. On both ends there's a carry handle. Triangle ring here that you can hang something off. And there's a Velcro to open it. All these seams are heat treated, so it will be weatherproof. So I'm about to go for a road trip during the holiday season with my family, and basically my car boot gets filled up pretty quickly. So with this cargo bag, I can either carry it on the roof racks, or we have a little trailer, it's an exposed trailer that we can sit it on. On road trips, the back of my car fills up pretty quickly, so quite often I put luggage on the roof racks or on a trailer. So I've just got some bedding in here at the moment. To close it, it's Velcro. Rock it up. And then clip in the ends. It has a compression strap with D-rings for you to tighten it up. So other side. And then you can basically use the car handle. Oh, there's also the padded handles at both ends. Overall, I'm very pleased with the Darche Nero. It's enabled me to carry extra gear around on the outside of my vehicle.